Ethan. Boom! I'll go get you. I'll go get you. I'll go get you. Come here. Come here. Come down and crawl. Come down and crawl, Mama. Ready? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's the ball? I'll go get you. I'll go get you. You got your ball. Yeah, you're not loud in there. I'll get your ball for you. Ready? Oh, go get it. Go get it. Go get your ball. I'll go get your ball first. I'll go get your ball first. You better go. You better go quick. Where's your ball? Where's your ball, huh? Where's the ball? Where's Mike Wazowski? Where's Mike Wazowski, huh? Where is it? Not back here. Oh, gonna lay down on Mommy? There you go. Ready to go get your ball? I'll go get you. I'll go get you. Oh, I got you. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's Mike Wazowski? There it is. There it is. Go get it. Go get it. No, don't play with the light. Oh, you and your little plugs. This is why we have to baby-proof everything. Clock? You see the clock? Is that what you like? You like the clock? Mike Wazowski! Yay! Yay! Good job. Go get it. Go get it. Oh, you're throwing it here?